So today I'm going to share with you exactly how this online business works. I'm actually going to walk you step by step through the complete system so you have a complete understanding how the business works. And you guys, I want you to really understand the timing that you're looking at this is huge. Right now, more people are going online, more people are spending time online and making decisions because of what they've seen online. Some people are out there looking to improve a skill. That's what I was when I found this. I was looking to just become better. And some people are looking to improve a skill and also have an extra income or start an online business. And some people are looking to just make six figures from home and have complete freedom. Whatever that reason is, we have the solution, and it is in the e-learning industry, which is one of the fastest growing industries.
A little bit about the Six-Figure Blueprint. Six-Figure Blueprint is a program that allows you to learn how to do digital marketing, and it gives you step-by-step instructions. It's very simple to follow. You get a video, you watch the video, you follow the steps in the video. It's really easy to implement. So it helps you learn step by step. Another great thing about it is when you purchase the blueprint from my mentor or any of the people in our community, you get added to our community, which is full of amazingly supportive people with a lot of knowledge that will help you. Our mentor has built this community and added so much additional training. And right now we're even doing a campaign to boost ourselves. And she's giving us videos every single day with step-by-step instructions of how to help our business grow.
So let's just start from the very beginning. What do? What we do is first you purchase a digital platform. And in this digital platform, it gives you everything you need to improve your skill and become your own boss online. This is just an example of what the training looks like, and I love it because as you can see, they're very short videos, and you implement what you learn, but it literally walks you through step by step. Now, once you purchase this, you start going through the training. Your very first step is you set up your own website, and this is what the website looks like. And this is where you get daily pay. People go through your website, they check it out. If they're interested, great. They go ahead and they get started. So they have their own digital platform as well.
You know, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint, all right? Fast forward, because you know times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, you know, picking up my momentum, and about my third week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in one day. Now listen, and I'm blown away by this. You know, I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. You know, the community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief, all right? Borrow my belief and you say yes to this amazing opportunity, all right?
So your next question, I'm sure, is like, how do we find people that are interested? And this is what I love, because in my opinion, this is a rejection-free business. Why? Because we let the automations do the work for you. The automations will eliminate the people not interested and will attract the people that are interested. So for example, I am going to give you my system that I've set up for you, and it's at no cost to you. Here is the system I'm talking about. And you can go in and change this picture. You can go in and change what it says. So what happens is when somebody sees this and they want information, they'll put their email in, and they will become part of your email automations, which I give you that as well. And I'm going to share that with you. So you might be asking, well, how do people find this page? Great question. Here's how they find this page. Let's go back to your digital platform, right? And here it is. So in this digital platform, they show you 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus ad images. So you go here and you click on these images and they share with you what to say, like literally what to say, and go the information with you. Okay, so what do you do with these ads? Okay, go down here and they show you where to post these ads for free. You guys, I don't spend any money on advertising. So every morning I get up and I copy and paste